this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today we're taking a look at a very special watch. This is the Rolex Day-Date 40 in Platinum. So right off the bat, I want to remind you we're here at Wixon Jewelers in Bloomington, Minnesota, taking a look at this piece. They're an authorized retailer of Rolex and many other brands. So now let's jump right into this piece. So as I said, this is the Rolex Day-Date 40 in Platinum. So it is a 40 millimeter case in diameter that is completely made out of platinum. And I must attest to how heavy this watch is. I mean, it weighs an absolute ton. And a lot of people would like this. I would probably like this. It's kind of an understated watch, even though it's made out of platinum, which again is one of the most expensive and densest elements. And what makes this watch so special is that, again, it's understated, even though it has a price of $62,500. Now, to put that into perspective, the white gold version of this watch, the Day-Date 40, just completely the same except for white gold, is $37,550. So there's quite a price difference between the platinum and the white gold version. Now, the way you can tell if it's a platinum is if it has this beautiful ice blue dial. Now, there's actually two different versions of the ice blue dial that you can get. There's a quadrant version and then a diagonal motif version, but I probably would prefer actually the diagonal motif version. It just looks a little bit cooler. It's got these very nice diagonals on the dial. And I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check out that piece in particular. But kind of moving on to this watch, so it's got the Rolex Caliber 3255 movement, which has an incredible 70-hour power reserve, and that is well over my 48-hour limit. Though this makes this the absolute perfect dress watch. Again, it's not like the normal yellow gold version. It's not quite as loud. Again, it's very understated, which a lot of people would like. I certainly would. So now I'll try this on for a wrist shot. And the clasp is very nice. It's a hidden clasp beneath that Rolex crown. So you don't actually, again, it's a hidden clasp, so you don't really see it. It fits very nice on the wrist. And it's very easy to put on. All Rolex clasps are extremely high quality. I'm very impressed with them. But this watch, again, it's 40 millimeters, which makes it kind of the perfect size. I like all watches that are pretty much that size, and I think they would look good on most people's wrists. I have about a 6.5 inch in circumference wrist, and I think it looks pretty good, not too big or not too small. So I think, again, this would look great on pretty much everyone. So if you like this video, please remember to subscribe and share. Thank you.